Alright, so I have a Lennox furnace that was installed back in 2013. The heater is not working due to 7 flashes over here. Lockout due to no ignition. So I opened this panel, upper panel, and then the lower panel just to make sure everything was working fine. Troubleshoot what was going on, and then we had 7 flashing lights over here. So what the problem was, the igniter was working fine. I saw some videos. Maybe it's due to the igniter, and it gets clogged sometimes, and then people use dollar bill or something that can properly clean it. So I did that. Also, I checked the gas valve, and then I couldn't smell gas. So like from the beginning, I was suspecting it was due to the gas supply not coming in, because everything was working fine. I checked the igniter was working fine, but there was no gas at all. Like I couldn't smell it. And then I tried other videos on YouTube, and didn't help. They were saying maybe due to the air filter and other stuff, but that didn't help. So I tried the switch, turn it on, turn it off, tried the breaker, turn it off, turn it on. It didn't work. So, and then I also checked the burners. Burners were working fine. There was no debris. Cleaned it up as well. The igniter and the flame sensor, everything was clean. Checked the thermostat as well. Tried to turn it on, but it was blowing a cold air. So thermostat was working fine, and the airflow was also fine, because I checked the pipes and the ductwork, everything was clean. 2 things that I couldn't check were the control board and the gas valve. I didn't want to risk my life, I would say. And I just called a professional that I knew, and he came in and checked the control board and then the gas valve. So turned out it was a gas valve, and then he didn't have it in stock here, so he ordered it, and then I waited for 2-3 days, I believe, and he got the right one. So he came back and installed it. So I paid about, I believe, $350, including the part and the labor. I believe close to $400 with the other fees. So if you have same issues, I would just recommend calling a professional if it's related to gas. If it's not, then you can clean up the burners, igniter, and check the thermostat. And then if there's any debris in any place, just to clean up, and then turn the switch on and off, wait for 5 minutes to see if it works, and check the air filters. So that's the basic ones that you can do without a professional. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and then consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be uploading more stuff about home improvement, and then home maintenance, and hopefully home designs in the future. And we are actually uploading some more videos about home flipping. We are getting into home flipping now, so